What Trump is creating is he's replacing the Federal Reserve with a decentralized U.S. dollar creation system. Let's look at this. Tether is what? What does Tether do? It produces dollars. It prints digital dollars. That's it. On a ledger. That's it. That's exactly what the Federal Reserve does. They produce dollars. They handle the flow of the dollars. Well, now we'll have Tether, we'll have Circle, we'll have all of these decentralized. And when I say decentralized, what I mean is there's more than one operators. Tether is centralized. We just saw that. All right. In Venezuela, Tether froze like $118 million worth of Tether. They froze it. It's centralized. Tether works with the U.S. government. Tether works with Tether is just another SWIFT.